Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Shapefile. Okay, so in today's video we are going to learn how to create accessibility map. Others call it network analysis. Yes, so to create accessibility map, which is accessibility based on the roads. So this particular map focuses on how to assess facilities based on the roads within your study area. Do you get it? We all understand that if you are driving on a first class road, the speed is higher than on a second class road, and the speed is higher on a second class road more than third class in that order. And someone walking to access a facility will also, his or her speed will not be as higher as someone driving on a third class road. Do you get it? Yes. So we use the roads within the study areas to calculate for the accessibility to those facilities. So if you look at this one, these are the health facilities, the reddish ones. Do you get it? These are the health facilities, and we are looking at how these communities access these health facilities, and we are saying that based on the legend, if you are in the green zone, you need to drive under 25 minutes to access the facilities, and under 30 minutes for these zones to access the health facilities, and under 45 minutes these zones to access any health facility. Do you get it? Yeah, so that is what the network analysis is about. So after that, you also have this one, banking accessibility. So banking accessibility, high access zone, medium access, low access, and least access. Do you get it? Yes. So this is another type of accessibility map, and in this video we are going to create a map like this. So like I said, we are using the road conditions within the study area. So if you look at the study area, we are going to use the Central East District. So in the legend we have poor, so these are the poor roads. In other words, they are the third class roads. We have the fair roads with the green color. In other words, these are the second class roads. Do you get it? And we have the good ones, in other words, the first class roads within the district. Do you understand? So we are going to create the accessibility map based on the conditions of this road. And if you look at the document I was using, so every type of road has their own standard speed. Do you get it? So the standard is that if you are in a first class road, the speed is 65 kilometers per hour. Feeder road, which is the second class road, you need 50 kilometers per hour. Do you get it? The waiting time has to do with something like a traffic. Do you get it? Yes. So these are some of the data you need. So we are saying that if you are on this particular road, the speed is slower than when you enter this particular road, and when you get here, you are likely to go high speed than on the second class road. So we are going to use the roads to do that, and the standard speed over there. Do you get it? So you watching this video, you can also search on the internet, maybe the Ghana Highway Authority, maybe the Urban Road Authority or Urban Road Department, or I don't know. You can search their websites and maybe know their standard travel time or their standard speed for the various classes of roads. Do you get it? But for me, this is the document I'm using, and this is my source. Do you get it? Yes, this is my source, and that is it. So I am using this particular one. So this is for the learning sake. I just want you to know the concept and know how to come up with a map. But at the end of the day, if you know how to do it and you are coming up with your own map, you need to know where you are getting your data from. Do you get it? Now back on the data that you need. So you need the distances of the roads. You need the distances of the roads. So you have to calculate for the distances of each of the roads within the district. And with that one, it's easier. The software will do it for you. Do you get it? Yes. And after that, you need a standard speed. And these are the standard speed I was talking about. Do you get it? And based on the standard speed, you need time. So when you get the speed and the distance, then you use it to calculate for the time. Do you get it? Then after that, we do the network analysis or the accessibility. I hope you are getting me. Yes. So the sources of the data. The sources of the data, you need a document or a standard travel speed like this. I said this is my document. So you can also search for your own documents or cite for your credible source based on the classes of roads and their speed according to maybe your country or according to where you got it. Do you get it? I hope you are getting the concept. Aside that, we have the various facilities. So if you look at this particular map, for instance, this is accessibility for banking service. And accessibility for banking service, according to this particular document I am using, accessibility for banking service, to be in a high access zone, you need to drive 25 minutes. Medium access, 25 to 35 minutes. Low access, 35 to 40 minutes. And least access is about 40 minutes. Do you get it? Yes. So After we are done calculating the time with the speed and the distance, then it based on the particular facility that you want to do the accessibility map for, then you also need the travel time, the standard travel time for that particular facility. Do you get it? So for that one you can search maybe WHO, maybe WHO, their standard travel time for health. Do you get it? Then you use it. Maybe the Ghana Medical Association, they have standard travel time for health. Maybe Ghana Education Service or Ministry of Education, do they have standard travel time for school or education in this country? Yes. So what I am trying to stress on is that you need a data, standard speed, standard travel time to do this particular accessibility map that we are going to do. And I have my data over here. So I don't know, you also know where you are getting your data from. Your standard travel time and your standard speed according to the classes of the roads. Okay, aside that, you see, we are going to use the roads within the district. Yes, these are the main roads, the first, second and third class roads. But you also need, this is the community efficacy. In the efficacy community, you see, it's not just a point. The community is a particular community with streets, minor roads. Do you get it? When you get to the community also has its interior roads, the streets, the minor roads within the communities. You need them to create the accessibility map. And to get that, you have to go to BB Bike to download that map, that particular road. Do you get it? To download that particular data. So if you want to know how to download data from BB Bike, you can check the video above. I have a tutorial that will guide you on how you can download data from BB Bike. So I downloaded my data from BB Bike, and in our next video, that is what I'll use in this tutorial. So once again, I said you need your travel time, standard travel time for the particular facility you are using. You also need your standard speed according to the classes of the road. And the second one is that you need a data from BB Bike, because BB Bike will give you, look at here, BB Bike will give you the streets and the possible roads within the district. So you see here, there are streets over here, and you won't get them in maybe the Ghana Shapefile, or you won't get them in whatever data that you are using. If only you can draw them, you can edit them yourself in Google Earth Pro. That depends on you, but BB Bike will give you that. And I said I have a tutorial on how to do that. Yes, so these are the concepts that I wanted to explain in this video. I'll pause here and start the new video. So see you in the next video, where we are going straight forward to start how to create the accessibility map. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.